Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a matrix problem. As per the problem, if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then we are given four answer choices and we have to choose the correct answer choice. The first step is to analyze the given matrix A. As per the problem, matrix A is symmetric. That means matrix A is a square matrix. The number of rows in matrix A is equal to the number of columns in matrix A. And since this matrix is symmetric, that means the transpose of matrix A is equal to matrix A. The symbol for transpose of matrix A can be A prime. So A prime is equal to A. The transpose of matrix A can also be written as A with superscript T. So the transpose of matrix A should be equal to matrix A. This is the definition of symmetric matrix. We are also given that matrix A is skew symmetric. That means the transpose of matrix A is equal to negative matrix A. So we can write it as A prime for transpose of matrix A is equal to negative matrix A, or A with the superscript T equals minus matrix A. So if matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then it should satisfy these two conditions. Now we can analyze the given answer choices. Part A is a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all elements that are not on the main diagonal are equal to 0. If we use a 2 by 2 matrix, one example of a diagonal matrix is 1 0 0 1. This is a square matrix in which the elements on the main diagonal are 1 and 1 and the other elements are 0 0. We have to check if this matrix is symmetric and skew symmetric. I can write the transpose of this matrix by switching the rows and the columns. So the transpose will be 1 0 and 0 1. As we can see, the transpose of matrix A is equal to matrix A. That means matrix A is symmetric. Now we can check whether this matrix A is skew symmetric. For that we have to find matrix negative A. We should multiply all elements in matrix A by negative 1. So we get negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1. We can see that this matrix negative A is not equal to the transpose of matrix A. That means this diagonal matrix A is not skew symmetric. So option A cannot be the answer because matrix A should be both symmetric and skew symmetric. Now we can analyze option B. A is a zero matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix in which all elements are equal to 0. Since A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, we can use a square matrix for this zero matrix. Let's assume matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix, 0 0 and 0 0. The transpose of this matrix will be equal to 0 0 and 0 0 because we just switch the rows and columns. So we can conclude that the transpose of matrix A is equal to matrix A. Therefore, matrix A is symmetric. Now we can do the check for skew symmetric. We should find matrix negative A. So we should multiply all elements in matrix A by negative 1. We get 0, 0 and 0, 0. That means transpose of matrix A is equal to negative matrix A. Therefore, this matrix A is skew symmetric. Therefore, we can conclude that this 0 matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric. So the answer should be option B. This should be the final answer for this problem. Option C cannot be correct because option C is A is a square matrix, and we found in part A that the square matrix 1 0 0 1 is not symmetric and skew symmetric. Therefore, the answer should be option B. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this type of problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.